Charles dragged me out here to this rally. Political rally. Now what you got to remember, guys, as when you're in the Philippines, regardless of what visa you're on, you're not allowed to be on one side or the other. You're not allowed to get involved in politics, basically. So,
You can come as after you can come in. You're a blogger. You can talk to the police.
Excuse me, ma'am. Thank you. Is it alright if I come in? I'm a blogger.
Ano po yun? Ano po, Sinda, may all access Sinda. Nasa listahan si Saka volunteers, may naka-assign na po silang trabaho.
Nag-perform po kasi sila sa Rotonda,
Yes, sir.
kaya ma'am nalito.
I'm a blogger. Is it alright if I come in and have a look round video?
No, we don't take privilege for vloggers. Yes, I understand it, but the real experience is in the front, not in the back.
Right, okay. Thank you.
Understand that? That's more fun than this. What's your name, sir?
A Brit in the Philippines, Chris.
Chris.
Hello.
Okay, Sir Chris. Okay, we can let you in because we have identified that you're a vlogger for NCPO.
Okay, thank you. The
If you
police.
said you're NCPO, I'm good to
The
go.
police know me, you see.
Thank you so much.
Who's with you?
Just my wife.
Okay.
Sige na po. Well, Sir Chris, I am Sub Sergeant Nico Alegre from Tourist Police.
Oh, you're from the tourist police.
Actually, Sir Denya is at the Peña Church as of now. And I saw you, and you're supposed to be they won't let you pass. So
Sir.
I'm not gonna do too much because I'm sweaty.
How's your vlog?
I'm very hot.
How's your vlog?
It's I'm very interested to see, you know, the run up to it, etc. I can't get involved in the politics side, but it's thank you very much.
sir, as to what you see, there's so many people here, and we are already here at 5:30 in the morning. So
5:30?
Yes.
Oh my God.
And it's the program will start at 6 p.m.
Right.
Well,
And
sir,
how long will it
You
last?
know Sir Ortanyes? Sir Ortanyes is the chief at PCR at NCPO.
He's the chief.
Yes, yes.
Oh.
Sir, si Chris.
Oh.
We've met already.
Brits in the Philippines.
He's a blogger as well.
He's a blogger as well? Oh.
I learned from you.
Oh, thank you very much.
Maybe you should.
Since you donated the uniform of our
The
Parking attendants. Yeah. Thank you very much.
I said to myself, it's now my time also to blog.
Sure.
In order to help others.
This is the video we watched. This guy
Yes,
helping
yes.
that. Ah, very good,
Naga.
very good. Well done.
Yes,
Yeah.
police Naga
Well
yun.
done.
Just want to help others.
Yeah, sure. Well, that's all we want to
Share
do.
my blessings and
Yeah. You did a
Let
very
them-
good job. You did a very good job. I
let them
I watched
enjoy
the video.
watching.
Yeah. So now I realize if you connect on my video and just remind me who you are, I'll get to your video and we'll see if we can do something together and I can promote your
Collaboration.
channel. Yeah.
You can make a collaboration of your videos. Sure.
And then if something like this happens again, hopefully you can help me get in. And
Well,
this year, do you think we're going to be doing the Peña Francia?
We'll find time for that.
Yeah.
Maybe
Meeting.
after election.
Yeah. Do you think the Peña Francia will happen this year?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, good.
Maybe after election it will be planned already.
Right. Cool.
Start the planning by after election. Start the planning.
So.
Mayor Legacion will be re-elected. Just right after the election it will be planned.
Good. So it starts at 6 and it finishes when?
The target is 1 a.m.
12 o'clock.
12.
12.
The instruction is as long as there are people here.
Yeah.
we're not
To keep it going.
we're not
All right.
So
Right.
You're gonna need a lot of Red Bull here.
Well, I think there's a lot. I mean, apart from here, it's very quiet.
Yeah.
There's quite a few businesses closed.
Yeah.
So, and there's plenty of room to get people here.
So, do you plan on going there?
Yeah, we're planning just to have a look round and see, you know.
Just enjoy watching.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
You can just proceed here at the left side.
Thank you very much for your help.
Take care,
Thank you.
Take care.
That's great, isn't it? You see, all the police know me now. Oi, oi. That's a blogger. You've got to let him in. You see, when it comes, sorry guys, give me a minute. When it comes to the Peña Francia, bloggers, any kind of reporters, they have to have a pass to get in, otherwise they're not getting in. It's as simple as that. I hope this camera's on, Mel. Is it on? Yeah. They've got to have, oh, that looks good. They've got to have a pass to get in, otherwise they can't go around. It's guys, it's practically impossible to get round the Peña Francia without the police allowing you through barriers and stuff. And if you haven't got a pass, you ain't getting past the barriers. It's as simple as that. Look at this, guys. We're not going to be able to stay for the full event because there's going to be music, etc. And I will get demonetized, as you know, if it's well-known music. Oh my god, I wouldn't, that's brilliant, but I wouldn't be testing that unless there was a somewhere soft to fall. What if she falls? My god. Oh my god. Amazing. Well done. Crazy. My god, amazing. Absolutely amazing. So I don't know what I don't know how everything's going to work out, and if there's singers, obviously there's going to be a lot on other. Yeah, I know, that's why they didn't want to let us in, because there's lots of stuff going off backstage, etc. The thing is, guys, I'm probably not dressed for the occasion either. I didn't expect them to let us in, to be quite honest. I said to Mel, you know, unless you've got a pass, they're not going to let us in. So I appreciate the police letting us in. So they're just practicing. Some very lovely ladies. They're very brave. God. Sorry, I shouldn't be saying God. Apologise for that. Hello. Hello. I'm fine, thank you. See, they all know me, even the guys that give you tickets. They all know me. Right, we went to see if we could get one of the officers to get us to the other side so we didn't have to go right round, but I had second thoughts. We probably could have got one of the officers to do it, but I didn't want somebody that was official to see what was going off and get them into trouble. So I declined and said it doesn't matter, if we can't get through, we can't get through. So they said, just go down the right hand side, you'll be all right. You just can't go through the left. So we'll see if we can go down the right hand side. If we get stopped again, I'm not going to argue. It's fair enough, they're just doing the jobs. There's police here as well, look. Oh, there's a lot of police here. There's lots of people here. It's very interesting, guys. This must have took a lot of time and effort and of course money to put on.
Excuse me, sir. Yung ID po.
We've been let in by the police.
Hello.
Right, I'm a blogger. I've been let in by you higher up there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, you see, everybody should have a pass. And if there's anybody listening, I very, very much appreciate the accommodation. See, this is a petrol station. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. My God, look at this. This must have took a lot of time and effort to put on, guys. Now, I didn't want to do this. Babe, please don't stay behind me. It's like I'm on my own. You know, Mel does it all the time. She says, you go up and ask the police if we can get in.
Isa lang ang pipiliin namin sa 2028. Yung pinakamatapang na ina at libre na ina.
Can you can't actually get in that way, can you? We've got to go back the same way as we come, haven't we? I said to Mal, I said, I'll be very surprised if they let us in without a pass. And there's lots of police officers here.
Kasama na doon yung West Philippine Sea. 3.5 milyong kilometro.
There you go, guys.
Na siksik sa natural resources. Source ng pagkain? Check. Source ng hanapbuhay? Check. Source sa isa sa
Lots of media here, guys.
Pilipinas.
Lots of media.
Talagang check na check. Kaya may mga bansang inanakaw to sa atin.
So you
Mga
can
banyagan,
see
inaapi ang ating mga mangingisda.
that's as far as we
Wala
can
na tayong
get.
karapatan sa sarili nating likas na yaman. Yan ang hindi check. Kailangan nating paglaban ang sa atin. At kailangan natin ng leader na handang pumalag dahil ang atin ay atin. Yung mismo ang sinabi ni
So
VP
this is
Lenny
what
Robredo tungkol sa West
some of the
Philippine Sea.
Philippine rallies look like.
Kaya ilan sa ating makagaling na dating miyembro ng Armed Forces ang nagsasabi at naniniwala na si VP Lenny Robredo
It's
lamang
amazing,
may
absolutely amazing.
kakayahan,
Look at all the
malino
people
at
here.
tapang para maging presidente at commander-in-chief natin. Ipaglalaban niya ang Pilipinas para sa Pilipino.
I mean, look, guys, this is
Kaya Lenny
Paris.
Robredo, sigurado tayo ang atin ay atin.
Only in the Philippines. Just have a look around here, babe, before we shoot off.
May adlaw, si Juan Carlos de Ene. I'm a singer, artist, and leader. Dati na ako siya really one of the hardest and probably the best experiences of my life. Maraming nagbago siya sa design to pursue this dream. Albums, concerts, press.
Huh?
All because I did
Free only if you're supposed to be here. I don't know. Anywhere with this food, guys, are there. I love it. It's really good. Very good. Again, guys, can you imagine the planning, the effort, the manpower that's gone into this to make this possible? It's amazing. Oh, look at the fuel prices, guys, as well here. Sure you can see it.
Meron tayong isang leader na kinikilala sa culture and arts bilang kabahagi ng effective governance. Isang leader na magsusulong sa
This GoPro is going down. I don't know what I'll get to replace it when it eventually goes. It's going the same way as the GoPro 6.
Isang leader na magpapakalaga hindi lang sa pangarap ng lahat, kundi sa industriya ng sine. It's time for us to kids to be a singer, an actor, a painter, to be whatever.
Can't take her anywhere, guys. Can't take her anywhere.
Masayang ato ng atong mga pangandoy kung na gobyerno na matuo mong suporta sa atuwa. A government that believes in you and will provide you with opportunities to pursue your dreams or even have one. Malaki ang tiwala ko ng
I hope you can hear me, guys. They've actually shut a main highway off all the way up here. This is Magsaysay side. The Avenue Hotel is opposite this place. I don't know what it is, if it's a hotel. It must be a hotel, unless it's apartments. Nah, it can't be a hotel. Nah, I don't know. I'm not going to risk only one way or another. But ever since I've been in the Philippines, which is approaching 7 years, I've never been to anywhere like this. It's really quite interesting. Amazing, actually. So I hope they'll let we're back through there. Mind you, they will, because there's no other way out. Right, that was pretty interesting, and we obviously can't go that way, but there's not, you can't get very far anyway, even if you did, so it doesn't really matter. Oh dear, got somebody that's collapsed. So there you go. Oh, I've got to be careful. I hope this isn't at an angle. Tell you this. Sorry. This camera's on its way out, I'm afraid, guys. So this is all very new and interesting, isn't it, guys? Having a practice. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I don't think there was much we could see anyway, even if we'd have got through that first bit. Nice and pink. So what did you think then, Mal?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Like you?
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
more than.
More than. Oh.
People na there.
Yeah, there's loads. There's
All more
loads.
bites for later when it starts.
Mm.
Be a lot.
Yeah. So we got a bit further than we thought.
Thank you to all police, Naga police station, because we left in.
Yeah. Well, we're let in where we, as far as we could go. let's just add that. They didn't try and get us past anywhere we couldn't get. So when we got to this first gate, guys, it was nearly the case where we weren't going to get any further, but the police recognized me and let us in just to go to where we went, which again wasn't very far, but it was further than we would have got, because like I say, we've said before, sorry, I said before to Mal that you always have to have passes in the Philippines. Well, I guess for any venue, but definitely in the Philippines you can't get in anywhere without a pass.
Especially
So
Fiesta, Peña.
yeah, when the Peña Franch is here, I'm going to have to try and get a pass. Yeah, but I want to number one
But
pass.
you said you don't want to, you're not there to do a video like a procession, like.
No, I wasn't bothered, because if you can't get in everywhere, then what's the
No,
point?
because you said our subscribers, most of ours. Okay.
Oh, you're having a bit of trouble? So, thanks to Naga Police, Tourist Police, Naga Police, thank you very much for your kindness and trying to make it so we can have some form of video. We really appreciate it. So it's over to you, Mal.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye guys!
Bye!
Shout out to Das. Hi Das. That's it.
Whoa.
Are we going home now?
Yeah.
I will go to.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Robert Cole, Dr. Philippines, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengil, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Zarther Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvire, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Ryan Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, a Brit's Philippines destination. Big thanks to all of you.